Alright, so this video is going to be doing some Bondo work. I got my Bondo, all-purpose Bondo, opened up here. But the hardener comes in a tube. And what I'm Bondoing is, this gear case had a whale tail on it. Somebody put a whale tail and put 3 holes on each side to bolt the whale tail on, and left holes in the. So I'll put a piece of tape on the bottom. I'm gonna fill each hole with Bondo. Give it about an hour to dry. Come back and sand it down and give her a paint job. So if everybody's ready, here we go. And I got it applied on both sides. Now I'm gonna let it dry, come back, sand it down, and give her a paint job. We'll see how it looks. Okay, I gave it about an hour to dry. Got my DeWalt sander here. I'm gonna sand her down now. Well, came out pretty good on one side, but on this side, 2 of them didn't hold. This side did okay. This side didn't. So I'm going to have to apply some more Bondo and try it again. Okay, I added some more Bondo and it came out pretty good. All 6 holes have been Bondo. Now I'm going to hit it with my paint, my Holiday Bronze paint, and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, she came out great. Got her painted with the Holiday Bronze. Can't even tell there were holes in this cavitation plate. She looks great, and so does the rest of the motor. This is a Cosmetic Restore number 146. It's a 1957 10 horsepower QD-18. Got her all laid out and painted. Every nut and bolt cleaned. Clean, clean, clean. Painted, painted, painted. Ready for restore. Alright, so that's how you use Bondo to fix up some holes. If you ever have any on your vintage motors, Bondo works great. See y'all next video. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I make at least 1 video every week. And then go ahead and hit the like button and join the T-Mike fraternity. So if you're this first time watching one of my videos, I have over 350 videos of everything you need to know about repair, maintaining, and restoring your vintage outboard motors. I specialize in Johnson & Evinrude's 3 horsepower to 20 horsepower, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. So as I said, I have every video you need to know on how to work on these motors. And if I don't have one,
I want you to let me know. Just hit in the comments on one of the videos and tell me what video I need to make, and I'll make it for you. I've also got every part you need to work on these motors. I have an eBay store. You can get to my eBay store by googling T-Mike Vintage Outboards, or click on the link down below in the description. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store. I sell all the hardware. I sell all the kits, spark wires, ignition, magneto components, points, coils, condensers, gear case, seals, everything. I even have some printed, 3D printed plastic handle grips and other parts for you. So I have all the videos and I have all the parts you need. I also now am providing parts manuals. So I have over 150 hard copy parts manuals, 1923 to 1958. So you can get your parts manuals from me too. So this is my passion. My goal was to have every video, every part, and every parts manual that you need. And if I don't have what you need, let me know. You can always call me for technical assistance too. My number is 337-278-5429. Give me a shout out. I love text messaging. I'll try to help you and answer your question. So I enjoy what I do. I hope you're having as much fun as I am working on these motors. And remember, always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video.